The Business of.
By Carter W. Lewis.
Outside a federal courtroom.
Right.
Right.
Right. So that's what we do.
That's exactly what we do.
We say what?
We say what we just said. We say that.
Right. We had no idea.
And we didn't have any idea.
Absolutely no idea. It was this big. We had no idea that this was what was going on.
Well, yeah, we didn't know that's what was going on.
That way madness lies. I mean, right?
Really? Jesus, Ben, we don't say lies. We can't appear to have lied.
Right.
Yeah, fucking right.
So we just say that. We say we had no fucking idea what was going on.
No, not no fucking idea. Not like that.
Oh, okay, not no fucking idea. Just no idea.
Yes.
We had no idea what was going on.
No, okay, not no idea what was going on.
I thought that's what we just said.
No, we had no idea that's what was going on. It's different.
No, it isn't.
Oh, yes, it is. I mean, who knew? I mean, who would trust the numbers, the cases, Okay, say it. Say it the way that you just said it.
With fucking or without fucking?
Without.
We had no idea what was going on.
Exactly. Now, listen. We had no idea that's what was going on. You see the difference?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
No, not really.
Yeah, no, okay, your way. We had no idea what was going on. We sound like we didn't know what's going on.
I thought that's what we were saying.
Right, we didn't know that's what was going on.
Hey, okay, it's an alibi either way, right?
But we advised everyone. We gave everyone economic confidence. We told them that this was nothing to worry about, that there wasn't anything going on. We don't want to admit that we knew something, but we don't want to admit we didn't know anything.
But we don't have an alibi if we knew what was going on.
No. See, we say we did know what was going on. We just didn't know to what extreme it was going on. We didn't know that this was what was going on.
Okay. I think
splitting hairs, and I'm not. Okay? Do you really want us to go in there and say that we had no fucking clue what was going on?
So we're putting the fucking back in.
Listen to me. Okay. The difference. Just hear the difference. We had no idea what was going on. What does that sound like?
Like we didn't know! And so bing bang, we're not insider accountable for selling off our stocks.
Oh, it means we were fucking clueless.
So the fucking's back in? You just said.
Ben! If you say it your way, it sounds like we're clueless, incompetent, bad at our jobs.
Well, we totally aren't bad at our jobs, right? We made millions by selling, right? How could they think we don't know what we're doing?
Jesus.
What?
Jesus, Ben, you're going to get us put in jail.
Come on. Get jail smart.
Everybody goes to jail for being smart.
Really? For being right?
Yeah, and we were definitely right. I mean, we definitely knew what was going on.
So, this is really sad for everyone, right? I got it. We go in. We knew what was going on, but we didn't know that was what was going on.
Okay. We go to court.
Shit. We go to court now.
No. I mean, Your Honor, the intel on this was cryptic at best. We actually coined the word hieroglyphica not to reference what was coming down the pipe on this, which was pandemic prognosticating at best. And the numbers were downplayed. Sanitized like a happy birthday hand washing. And I tried my best to decipher it all, but the deals were their eyes only, and secretaries were under a bonus in the balance gag order. And I'd like to say, thank God for the Who. And not the band. There was no see me, feel me, touch me in this. I mean the World Health Dudes. Hoorah! Those guys are good. They're really, really good. And I was just lucky that I did what I did when I did it without knowing why I did it. You know?
I had no idea that was what was going on.
And when I look back on it all, sometimes I think that maybe I should be indicted. I remember a clerk in HR who had recently issued a completely unjust referendum on the revocation of company parking spaces. And get this, his disclaimer was, sorry, but I just work here. And I looked him in the eye and I said, son, your job is not your alibi. And that's really how I feel. And if I knew what was going on, well, but I didn't. I didn't, no.
I had no idea what was going on. No idea.
I have 2 kids in college. I'm sure the stock was worth millions of dollars, but college costs that these days. And seriously, I'm almost ready to give it all back, or at least donate part of it and get the tax write-off, and I really planned on doing something with it. Something good. That's why I took it out. But I had no idea what was going on.
I was fucking clueless. Completely buck naked, blind as a banana, fucking clueless.
Court adjourned.
Ooh, court delivered? Holy crap!
We did it.
We fucking did it. We fucking did it.
They delivered, and we got away with it.
Ooh, Charlie, I think my dick is just too big to fail.
Oh, we are rich, Ben, and with the soon-to-be devalued dollar, we are even richer because we have many, or almost all of those devalued dollars.
Something ugly transforms into something beautiful.
We did it together.
You and I did some business.
And the punchline, it'll all go to crap, and we can buy it all back.
We'll own the water, the fire, the air, the fucking earth.
The tipping point, I think the real tipping point was the contrition, the feigned sadness, the maybe I should be indicted, Your Honor. The fucking contrition.
Oh, I feel like singing. Hallelujah, hallelujah, hallelujah.
Oh, God, what a country.
I was a drama minor in college. I had quite a voice.
Well, you sure sang in there.
Well, I had no fucking clue. Fucking no, buck fucking naked, no.
But Your Honor.
Do you see a clue?
Oh, but Your Honor.
If that's how it seems to you. And we didn't have a clue.
We're very sorry.
We're very sorry.
If you put me in jail, my kids will starve and wail, and my no account bank account will just go to hell. But contrite is my right, and my right is my fight. And just 'cause he lost a zillion, I
What?
copped a couple billion. I'm
Oh,
gonna get a boat and around the house and boat and live alone and dote on this and that and buy myself some bitches.
oh yeah, those riches is our take, and stupid is how we make the money. That's so funny now that I think about it. Nose job, eye job, new job, blow job. Future looks bright, right?
Somewhere across the sea, there's a bank waiting for me. My hands in their golden bands, watching my ships come in without failing.
We did it.
I love you, Ben.
Yeah, I love you too, Charlie. Can I tell you something?
Yeah, sure.
I mean, really, tell you something.
You sure? I mean, we're partners. We have the mutual goods on each other. So we are tick and talk. We are inbox and outbox. We are import and export. We are,
I didn't know.
huh?
I didn't know it would spread like this, the contagion. I really didn't know.
What?
Yeah, not until it happened.
So you were being honest in there.
I sold the stock because I was in debt, not because I knew what was coming.
You,
Yeah, sorry.
that changes things, Ben. I don't know if I can work with you.
Charlie, what if we get sick? What if none of it matters?
Ben, 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 Ben. Ben. Ben, 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 Ben. Oh, Ben, Ben, Ben.
Will I remember what my life was like? Who I was before today?
Ben.
Look at what we lost. I mean, the Asian dude in security, Mrs. Hairston in accounting, middle management Bob, Gary Gurman, Rohan Patel, Cindy Berkowitz, Finn McKinney, Hallie Sharp, Shoshana Dawkins, the barista down in the lobby, IT Ike, that weirdly pale lady in marketing, CFO Johnson, Frank, who does the audits, Laura Finley, Shelley Russett, Ricardo Ortiz, Rebecca De La Croix, Jacob Davis, Aiko Yamamoto, Gillian Thomas, Robbie Berkowitz,
Ben.
Tom Hanks.
Ben, Ben. Ben. Sing with me. Fiscal immunity. Holiday.
Lou